Hello everyone, welcome to online class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee, your computer teacher. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for new notification. Let's start.
Antivirus. What is that? A software which is used against the virus. Also known as anti-malware because this software is effective against other malicious programs. As it was initially developed to detect and remove the computer viruses, so this software is known as antivirus. Some examples are Avast, Avira, Quick Heal. So many antivirus software are available in the market, and according to your system compatibility, you can install a updated antivirus software. Now, how the antivirus work? On access scanning and full system scanning. Antivirus software keeps on running in the background by checking every file which we execute or downloaded from the internet. We keep a check on each and every file, pen drives and any device we connect to the internet. Full system scan is, it keeps a check on the dormant virus. What are dormant virus? Which is inactive for the time being but it will activate in the near future. So they are basically a dormant virus. So full system scanning is scheduled once a week. It is a good idea to scan your system once a week for the virus attack. This will keep your system safe from any kind of viruses. Using an antivirus software. Now what are the steps to be followed while using an antivirus software? Step 1, all programs. Step 2, Microsoft Security Essential. For example, I am using Microsoft Security Essential as an antivirus software, so I will choose this. Now, once you enter the software, you will have to choose the option between quick scan or full scan. Quick scan will quickly scan the files where the possibility of virus is more, but full system scan will completely scan your system and it will take more time. So accordingly you can choose either quick scan or full scan. After you have chosen, click on scan now button. This will start scanning and it will remove or put the virus in quarantine. Now let us discuss some question answers that is given at the end of the chapter. You can pause the video and note down the answers, but make sure to write the answers in your own words. Here I am just giving you an idea how to write the answer technically, systematically. But you are of course most welcome to write the answer in your own word. The first question, how can you know that your computer is infected with virus? Of course, your computer will start showing some kind of symptoms. Like what are the symptoms? Computer start running slowly than the usual. Computer keeps crashing. Applications start behaving oddly. Means suddenly it will start, suddenly it will hang, this kind of things it happens. Files and folders may turn into shortcuts that you will not be able to open any file or folder. If this kind of things, symptoms are shown by your computers, that means it has been infected with a virus. Apart from this, there are many other points, many other symptoms which your computer shows if it is infected with virus. You can also write down that one. Now the second question. What is computer virus? Look here everyone. Computer virus is a malicious software which is designed to spread from one computer to another and interfere with the computer operation. For example, code red is one of the example of virus. What is basically virus is a malicious software which has an intention which is designed with the intention not only to harm the computer but spread from one system to another. What are antivirus programs? Antivirus are the software, they are useful software, okay, which are used to prevent, identify, detect and remove all kind of malicious software. In the beginning, it was only removing viruses. That is why the software name antivirus. But with the advancement of technology, it worked well and effective against removing malicious software also. One of the example is Avast. What is malware? What are the different types of malware? Malware means malicious software. Different types of malware are, look here, viruses, Trojan horse, worms, keyloggers, spyware and adware. Adware, you know, advertisement software, the software which is designed for advertisement purpose. Spyware, you all these viruses, all this malware you know about. What are virus definition now? Virus definitions contain the signature which give information about the virus. If you want to decode a virus, if you want to create an antivirus software against a virus, then you need to study the signature. That is virus definition, which contain all the information about the particular virus, and accordingly you can decode that virus by creating an effective antivirus program.